Good morning, friends. So yesterday we are discussing about type number 6, that is second order derivatives. Okay, in second order derivative, problem number 11 onwards. Problem number 11 onwards, like 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 23rd problems. So those problems are most important problems. They may be asked in final exam. Each problem carries 5 marks. In your question paper, part D, question number 42 belongs to second order derivative problem. Okay. Now today I am going to deal with last type of differentiation, that is type number 7, Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Name of scientist is Lagrange's mean value theorem. There are two theorems. First one is name of scientist Rolle's theorem as well as Lagrange's mean value theorem. So first part is Rolle's theorem. Only remember statement, no proof. Degree level proof ಇದೆ, but compute level no proof. Only remember that statement. Now here the Rolle's theorem, the statement of this theorem is let y is equal to f of x be a function. As you know that there are four different types of functions, namely algebraic function, logarithmic function, trigonometric function, exponential function. You know. Okay. So among four, they may be given any one. So in general, let y is equal to f of x is any function. It may be algebraic ಇರಬಹುದು, logarithmic ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ polynomial ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ trigonometric ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ exponential. Then the statement of this theorem is the given function f of x is defined in the closed interval ab. A and b are finite values. A and b are numbers. In general, writing a and b, such that three conditions are satisfied. What are those? Condition number one, it is continuous function in closed interval ab. You know the definition of continuity. Now when we say that the given function is continuous, again two conditions are satisfied, namely left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Condition number two, limit of f of x as x tends to in general a is equal to f of x defined. Both the conditions are satisfied, it is said to be continuous. Now here the statement of Rolle's theorem is the given function is continuous in closed interval ab. And second one is it is differentiable in open interval ab. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನೇದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, f of a is equal to f of b. Put x equal to a. Similarly put x equal to b. f of a value is equal to f of b. If this condition is satisfied, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ length of the interval is same, f of a is equal to f of b, both are satisfied, this condition is satisfied, then there exists one more point between the number a and b. There exists one more point. There are so many points. At least one point. The word at least means either one point or more than one point. Among those two points, there are several points. Among those, take one point. That point in general say C. C is one number. That number is also belongs to open interval AB. You know the difference between closed interval and open interval. Closed interval AB means including A and B. Open interval AB means excluding A and B. Between A and B. This is including A and B. So, third condition f of A is equal to f of B. If this result is satisfied, hence there exists one more point between the number A and B. That point by taking say in general C belongs to the interval AB, satisfying the condition f dash C is equal to 0. F dash is nothing but dy by dx. F dash C is nothing but dy by dx at the point x equal to C is equal to 0. Now this is the statement of Rolle's theorem. Very simple problem. They will ask in final exam. 3 mark question. Now here I will repeat once again. The statement of Rolle's theorem is the given function is continuous in closed interval AB. Maybe I will verify ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Write directly. The given function is continuous and the given function is differentiable. Write those two as it is. Okay, again verify ಮಾಡೋದು not necessary. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 3 ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ go for next step, then there exists, this is notation for there exists, read it as there exists, this is Greek symbol, there exists a point C belongs to open interval AB satisfying the condition f dash C is equal to 0. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ closed interval AB, for example closed interval 2 3, this is A value, that is B value. Closed interval 2 3 is meaning ಏನು? Including 2, more than 2, less than 3, including 3. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and so up to 3. There are so many points between 2 and 3. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ 2.1 ಇರಬಹುದು, 2.2 ಇರಬಹುದು, 2.5 ಇರಬಹುದು, 2.9 ಇರಬಹುದು, 2.7 ಇರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. In between those two numbers there are several points. Among those points at least take one point. One point ಯಾವುದು? 2.3 ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 2.4 ಇರಬಹುದು. In general by taking C value ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it may be 2.1, it may be 2.2, it may be 2.5, it may be 2.8, it may be 2.9, even though it may be 3 also, even though it may be 2 also, because including 2 and 2. But open interval AB excluding 2 and 2. Open interval AB between 2 and 2. Between 2 and 3 ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2.1 to 2.9. ಇಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸಿ. ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು? ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ 2 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 and 3 ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಅಮಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 2.2 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 2.7 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 2.8, ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್. that number by taking say C belongs to the open interval AB. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು such that f dash C becomes 0. Using this to find the value of C. ಈಗ ನಾನು 2.3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸರ್ 2.3 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? 2.4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2.4 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? f dash C equal to 0. f dash C is nothing but what? dy by dx at the point x is equal to C. Another notation is f dash C is equal to 0. Now the geometrical meaning of Rolle's theorem. Look here, x and y axis. Y is equal to f of x dx, which is continuous curve. Very break ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. break ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not continuous. Continuous ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay. Now here draw a line which touches the curve. That line is known as tangent to the curve. In earlier classes in the 10th standard you know the concept of tangent to the circle. ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟಚ್ ಆದಂತ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ರೇಖೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಕರ್ವ್. Now A and B be any 2 points on this curve. From the point A and B draw the ordinate at the point x equal to A and here at the point x equal to B. Now here y is equal to f of x at the point x equal to A, that is f of A. Y equal to f of x at the point interval x equal to B, that is f of B. Now the given curve is continuous in closed interval A and B and differentiable in open interval A and B. And one more condition, this length f of A length is equal to f of B. If both the lengths are equal, go for next step. Suppose f of A is not equal to f of B, we conclude that Rolle's theorem does not exist. Rolle's theorem exists agಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ both the ordinates are equal. Suppose those two are not equal, conclude that Rolle's theorem does not exist. Rolle's theorem ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೂರನೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Continuous ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, obviously it is continuous given function and given function is obviously it is differentiable. Then you have to verify condition 3, f of A equal to f of B. If this condition is satisfied, hence there exists one more point between the number A and B. That point in general say C belongs to the interval AB, satisfying the condition f dash C is equal to 0. Now here we observe that the slope of tangent to the curve, this is tangent line. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ tangent line x axis ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. You know that in first PU, in first year PUC, you know the definition of slope of straight line. What is that? A straight line makes an angle theta with x axis is known as slope of straight line. we write m is equal to tan theta, where m represents slope of straight line. M represents slope of straight line. Now here, if a straight line, suppose a straight line parallel to x axis, one way ಆ ಲೈನ್ x axis parallel ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಥೀಟಾ ಸಿಕ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಈಗ ಆ ಲೈನ್ x axis parallel ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is theta? Theta value is 0. Therefore slope m is equal to tan theta value 0 degree, tan 0 degree is 0. So slope becomes 0 when the line parallel to x axis. Same concept. Instead of straight line, here ಯಾವ line ಇದು tangent line. Why it is tangent? Because definition of tangent, a line which touches the curve, that line is known as tangent. This tangent line is parallel to x axis. Here in first view condition, m is equal to 0. M is slope of straight line. Instead of m, here by taking f dash c is equal to 0. Slope, that is f dash c is nothing but slope of tangent. M is nothing but slope of straight line. ಇಲ್ಲಿ straight line ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tangent line. So f dash c is equal to 0. Using this condition to find the value of c, that value of c will also belongs to that open interval AB. ನೀವು c value find out ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ 2 3 ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Is it 5 belongs to open interval 2 3? Does not belong to open interval 2 3. Again Rolle's theorem does not exist. ಆ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2.3, yes 2.3 belongs to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, belongs to that open interval. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಆ 2.3 ಎದ್ರಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು, belongs to the given interval. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಇದು ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. Okay, so remember, I will repeat once again. The statement of Rolle's theorem is the given function is continuous function in closed interval AB, differentiable function in open interval AB, and f of a is equal to f of b. ಈ condition satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then ಈ condition satisfied ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then there exists one more point between the number a and b. That point is saying that the c belongs to the interval AB, satisfying the condition. Slope of tangent become 0. Now slope of tangent ಯಾಕೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Because that tangent line is parallel to x axis, slope become 0. Tangent line parallel to x axis ಅಂದ್ರೆ slope ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 0. F dash c is equal to 0. Using this condition to find the value of c, that value of c belongs to open interval AB. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಇದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Based on that Rolle's theorem to solve some problems. Each problem carries 3 marks, important sum. Now the question, verify Rolle's theorem for the function. Observe a very simple question. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. In a closed interval that is also given 4, 2. Okay, this is a value, that is b value. Now f of x is equal to, it is polynomial function. You know that every polynomial function is always continuous function. So the statement of Rolle's theorem, write directly, clearly the function CLY means clearly the function f of x is continuous in closed interval 4, 2. Don't verify, write directly. Okay. And second one, differentiable. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ differentiable in open interval 4, 2. ಎರಡು as is ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನಾವು verify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು third one ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That is differentiable in open interval 4, 2. Differentiable means differentiate. F dash x is equal to f of x is given. F dash x is nothing but what? dy by dx. Then differentiation of that value. What is derivative of x square? 2x. Derivative of 2x, 2 constant. Derivative of x with respect to x 1 minus derivative of x 0. That is 2x plus 2. Then condition number 3 ಯಾವುದು to verify f of a and f of b. Take LHS. F of a is equal to, what is a value? 4. F of 4, f of x value x square plus 2x minus 8. Put x is equal to 4. See what happened? 4 square plus 2 into 4 minus 8. 4 square 16. 4 2s are 8 minus 8. 8 8 cancel. 16. This is f of a. And f of b. B value is today 2. Put x is equal to 2. 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. 2 square 4 plus 4 minus 8. Correct? 4 comma 2. 4 square 16 to the 8 minus 8. Now x is equal to 2. 2 square 4 plus 4 minus 8. Let's try to 4 plus 4. 8. 8 minus 8. 0. Correct? This may be correction. This is minus 4 comma 2. Close interval minus 4 comma 2. Not plus. Minus 4 comma 2. So put x is minus 4. Minus 4 square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Minus 4 square 16 plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 8. That is 16 minus 8, 8, 8 minus 8, 0. And f of b, put x equal to 2. 2 square 4 plus 4 minus 8, 0. F of a 0, f of b 0. Therefore, f of a is equal to f of b. Are equal agave? Equal add ನಂತರ next. Then there exists the symbol a point. A point ಯಾವುದು integer c belongs to open interval ab. Open interval ಯಾವುದು? minus 4 comma 2 such that f dash c slope of tangent is equal to 0. Using this to find the value of c. That value of c belongs to that interval. F dash c is equal to 0. You know that f dash x value 2x plus 2. ಹೌದಾ? x ಬದಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ c. ಅಂದ್ರೆ f dash c ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies 2c is equal to plus 2 transfer it minus 2 divided by 2. C is equal to minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Verify whether minus 1 belongs to open interval minus 4 comma 2. Minus 1 interval ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. More than minus 4 less than 2. Minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. More than minus 4 ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Minus 1 is this is, it verifies Rolle's theorem. Okay, simple ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಯಾವುದು? It is continuous and it is differentiable. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ 5 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ನಾವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. It is polynomial function. Every polynomial function is always continuous function. Every trigonometric function is continuous function. So that as this ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. It is continuous in closed interval minus 4 comma 2, differentiable in open interval minus 4 comma 2, and differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. f dash x is equal to f dash is the same as dy by dx. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 2x is 2 into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 8 is 0, 2x plus. Next ಯಾವುದು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? f of a and f of b. Now f of a value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಪ್ಪ? minus 4. Put x equal to minus 4 in given function. ಇದರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. minus 4 square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. minus 4 square 16 minus 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. f of b, b value is 2. Put x equal to 2 in this function. 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 4 plus 4 minus 8, that is 0. f of a is equal to f of b. Go for next step. Then there exists at least one point between the number minus 4 and 2. That point we take say c belongs to that open interval such that slope of tangent is equal to 0. That is f dash c is equal to 0. But f dash x value 2x plus 2. Instead of x, here return c. So that f dash c is 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. 2c is equal to minus 2. c is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. That is minus 1. Belongs to ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, belongs to open interval minus 4 comma 2. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ again Rolle's theorem does not exist. ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Second problem, f of x is equal to x square plus 2 in closed interval minus 2 comma. Right, directly. Clearly, again this polynomial function, it is continuous in closed interval minus 2 comma 2, differentiable in open interval minus 2 comma 2, and differentiate f dash x is equal to f dash x is same as dy by x, derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 2 constant 0, that is equal to 2x. Next, condition 3, third statement, f of a value minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 in given function, minus 2 to the power of 2 plus 2, minus 2 square 4 plus 2, that is 6. f of b value 2, put x is equal to 2 square, plus 2 square 4 plus 2, that is 6. f of a is equal to f of b, you have to say one word. Then there exists one more point, c belongs to open interval, ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ interval minus 2 comma 2, such that f dash c is equal to 0. f dash x value is 2x, instead of x here will come c. What is f dash c? 2c is equal to 0, divide by 2, c is equal to 0. Verify whether 0 belongs to open interval minus 2 comma 2. Yes, hence it verifies Rolle's theorem. Clear? Third one, in the f of x is equal to sin 2x in closed interval 0 comma pi by 2. Now, statement of Rolle's theorem, clearly this continuous function in closed interval 0 comma pi by 2, differentiable in open interval 0 comma pi by 2, and differentiate f dash x is equal to dy by x. Now there are two friends, first friend sin, second friend 2x, derivative of sin cos, second friend as it is 2x into derivative of second friend, derivative of 2x is 2, that is 2 cos 2x. Then to find f of a, f of what is a value? 0. Put x equal to 0 in given function, sin 2 into 0, that is sin 2 into 0, 0, sin 0 degrees 0. f of b, put x equal to pi by 2, sin 2 into x value pi by 2, 2 cancel, that is sin pi, sin 180 degrees also 0. Therefore f of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists a point c belongs to the interval, open interval 0 comma pi by 2, such that f dash c is equal to 0. Now since f dash x value 2 cos 2x, instead of x here return c, f dash c is equal to 2 cos 2c is equal to 0, divide by 2, cos 2c is equal to 0 divided by 2, 0. Now put 2c is equal to theta. If 2c theta ankonಡ್ರೆ cos theta is equal to 0. Cos theta 0 andre theta is equal to theta value 2c is equal to cos of which angle is 0. Pi by 2 90 degree because cos 90 degree 0. 2c is equal to pi by 2 andre c is equal to cross multiply pi by 4 45 degree. Is it 45 degree belongs to the open interval 0 and 90 degree? Yes. It verifies Rolle's theorem. So simple I know 3 mark. Next problem number 4, verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x in the closed interval 0 comma pi by 2. Now clearly the function is continuous in closed interval 0 comma pi by 2, differentiable in open interval 0 comma pi by 2, then differentiate f dash x is in the dy by x, derivative of sin x cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x. Then to verify f of a and f of b, f of a is equal to f of what is a value? 0. Put x equal to 0 in given function, sin 0 plus cos 0, sin 0 degree 0, cos 0 degree 1, that is 1. And f of b value pi by 2, put x equal to 90 degree, sin pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2. Sin 90 degree value you know 1, cos 90 degree 0, 1 plus 0, 1. So therefore f of A is equal to f of B. Then there exists a point C belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2 such that f dash C is equal to 0. Now to find the value of C. How to solve? F dash x value cos x minus sin x. Instead of x, f dash C is equal to cos C minus sin C is equal to 0. Implies cos C is equal to sin C. Bariboda? Now this implies cos C is equal to, convert sin in terms of cos. There are two methods. Idನ್ನ cos ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? sin C can be written as cos of 90 minus C, because cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now resolve cos on both sides. C is equal to pi by 2 minus C. Take minus C on left side plus C, that is 2C is equal to pi by 2 minus C correct one plus C plus C 2C is equal to pi by 2. C is equal to pi by 4 belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2. ಹೀಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ or ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು or cos C is equal to sin C. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು sin C ಅನ್ನು in terms of cos ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ implies divide both sides by sin C. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ sin C ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos C divided by sin C is equal to sin C divided by sin C. Divide both sides by sin C. Sin C cancel. But cos C by sin C, you know trigonometric function cos C. Cos by sin cot. Cos C is equal to 1. Therefore angle C is equal to again 45 degree. Belongs to open interval 0 comma pi. ಹೀಗೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು sin ಅನ್ನು in terms of cos ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ divide by sin or divide by cos. Divide by cos ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ tan C is equal to 1. C is equal to 45 degree. Belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2. Okay. Next problem. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to root of 4 minus x square in closed interval minus 2 comma 2. Now given f of x is equal to root of 4 minus x square in closed interval minus 2 comma 2. Clearly the given function is continuous minus 2 comma 2. Differentiable in open interval minus 2 comma 2, and f dash x is equal to f dash x is what? Differentiable. Now there are two friends. First friend root, second friend 4 minus x square. Differentiate first friend. What is derivative of root? You know the formula. 1 by 2 root capital X value 4 minus x square into another friend. Derivative of 4 constant 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x, that is minus 2x divided by 2 into root of 4 minus x square, that 2 cancel, minus x divided by under root of 4 minus x square. Okay, then to find f of A and f of B. F of A is equal to, what is A value? Minus 2. This is A, that is B. A value minus 2. Put x equal to minus 2 in given function under root of 4 minus x value minus 2 to the power of 2. 4 minus 2 square plus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Correct? And f of B, put x equal to B. B value is 2. Put x is 2 in given function under root of 4 minus x square, x value 2 square, root of 4 minus 2 square 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Therefore f of A is equal to f of B. Then Rolle's theorem states that there exists a point C belongs to open interval minus 2 comma 2 such that f dash C is equal to 0. F dash C, f dash x value minus x bar root 4 minus x square. Replace x by C. Minus C by root of 4 minus C square is equal to 0. Cross multiply. Minus C is equal to 0 into root 4 minus C square. 0. Multiply by minus sign. C is equal to 0. Verify whether C belongs to open interval minus 2 comma 2. Yes, it verifies Rolle's theorem. Okay, very simple problem. Last problem for Rolle's theorem. Examine if Rolle's theorem is applicable to the following function. First one, f of x is equal to square bracket x. Square bracket x means greatest integer function of x. You know, already learned in first PU. Greatest integer function. X belongs to closed interval 5, 9. ಇದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? ನೋ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯಬಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? ನೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ integer. Okay, so the given function is not continuous, not differentiable. Whole ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ go for third one. What is third one? F of a is equal to f of b. Now verify f of a, that is f of, what is a value? 5. Put x equal to 5 square bracket 5, greatest integer function of 5. What is greatest integer function of 5? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5. You know, remember the definition of greatest integer function. Square bracket x is equal to integer, then put definition, plus positive fraction is equal to integer. This is the definition of greatest integer function. Either notation and performance. Square bracket x is equal to integer plus positive fraction is equal to integer. Ignore it. For example, square bracket 5, greatest integer function of 5. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? 5 plus 0.0, it is positive fraction. Okay, is equal to ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? integer. Among those two integer ಯಾವುದು? 5. If you take greatest integer function of 5.1, how to split it? 5.1, 5 plus 0.1 is equal to integer. Among those two, which one is integer? 5. What is greatest integer function of 7.3? How to write? 7 plus 0.3. 7 is integer. Plus ಇರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, positive fraction ಇರಬೇಕು, is equal to integer. Among those two, which one is integer? 7. Right? What is greatest integer function of minus 4.2? How to write? Minus 4 plus 0.2. Wrong. How to write? Minus 5 plus 0.8. minus 4.2 ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? minus 5 plus 0.8 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 4.2 is equal to ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ x, ಮೊದಲೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, is equal to integer. among those two, which one is integer? minus 5. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ -4 plus 0.2. No, wrong. -4 plus 0.2 is how much? -3.8, not -4.2. Remember, so -4.2 can be written as -5 plus 0.8 is equal to integer is -5. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ f of a value 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ f of 5 is equal to greatest integer function of 5 is 5. What is f of b? b value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 9. That is equal to square bracket 9. Square bracket 9. Greatest function of 9 is 9. Are they equal? No. f of a is not equal to f of b. Is it the greatest integer function? Rolle's theorem satisfied? No. How to write? As ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬಹುದು. being greatest integer function is not continuous and differentiable in interval differentiable. Therefore, Rolle's theorem is not applicable. applicable ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Okay, being greatest integer function, it is not continuous, it is not differentiable, hence Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Okay, whereas second one is ನೋಡಿ, f of x is equal to x square minus 1. Yes, it is polynomial function. Alright, x square minus 1 in closed interval 1 comma 2. Clearly it is polynomial function. Clearly the function f of x is continuous in closed interval 1 comma 2 and differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು f of x ಅನ್ನು open interval 1 comma 2 and differentiate f dash x is equal to f dash x is same as dy by x. What is derivative of x square? 2x minus derivative of 1 0, 2x minus 0, 2x. Next, to verify f of a and f of b. Okay, f of a and f of b. f of a value is 1, f of b value 2. Put x equal to 1 in given function. Now f of a, that is a value 1, put x equal to 1 in given function. 1 square minus 1, 1 square 1 minus 1, 0. f of b, put x equal to b value 2, 2 square minus 1, 2 square 4 minus 1, 3. Observe it, f of a 0, f of b 3. Are they equal? Therefore f of a is not equal to f of b. Is equal ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ go for next step. Those two are not equal, hence we conclude that Rolle's theorem is not applicable in this function. Okay, so this completes Rolle's theorem. One more result, that is mean value theorem. Okay, just